What's the meaning of brawn? Brawn. Brawn.
Brawn. Brawn. The word brawn typically refers to physical strength, power, and muscle. It can also refer to a person who possesses these attributes. When someone is described as having brawn, it suggests that they are physically strong and capable of performing demanding tasks. This could be in the context of manual labor or athletics, where strength and endurance are critical. Brawn is often associated with masculinity and toughness, and it is highly valued in many cultures around the world. Overall, the term brawn implies a powerful, robust, and resilient body that is capable of overcoming obstacles and achieving great feats of strength.